Finding a good smartwatch at a reasonable price doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll introduce you to the 5 smartwatches that stand out in 2024 for their perfect balance between high quality and price. Let's get started. The Xiaomi Watch S3 is an outstanding option for those looking for a smartwatch that strikes a balance between features and price. This smartwatch offers a wide range of functions, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and sports modes for various activities. Its elegant design and AMOLED display provide an attractive and crisp visual experience, making it ideal for both daily use and exercise. However, its interface may feel a bit limited compared to higher-end models, and compatibility with certain apps might not be as robust as expected. This model is perfect for those who want a reliable smartwatch with good performance without breaking the bank. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro is the evolution of the S3, offering significant improvements in performance and features. With a more refined design and an improved AMOLED display, this smartwatch stands out in the quality price segment, unlike the OnePlus Watch 2 that we will discuss later. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro offers a greater focus on sports tracking and better integration with its companion app, making it more appealing to fitness enthusiasts. However, like its predecessor, compatibility with certain apps may be limited, and battery life could be a factor to consider for those needing prolonged use. It's a well-balanced option for those looking for a smartwatch that combines style, functionality, and a competitive price. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro takes the smartwatch experience to the next level, especially for users who prioritize durability and a well-integrated ecosystem. With its rugged AMOLED display and robust construction, this watch is designed to withstand demanding conditions, making it an excellent choice for outdoor activities. Additionally, its advanced health system, including ECG and blood oxygen monitoring, puts it ahead of competitors like the Xiaomi Watch S3 in terms of health features. Although its price is higher, the quality and depth of its features justify the investment for advanced users. However, its larger size and weight may not be ideal for everyone. The OnePlus Watch 2 is a solid choice for those looking for a smartwatch with a sophisticated design and balanced features. With its AMOLED display and smooth operating system, this watch offers a pleasant user experience, combining style with functionality. Compared to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the OnePlus Watch 2 is lighter and more discreet, making it more comfortable for daily use. However, its app ecosystem is not as extensive as Samsung's, and some of its health features, although useful, are not as advanced as those found in other high-end models. It's an excellent choice for those who value design and an intuitive user experience without needing extremely advanced features. The TechPulse Pro ENDURO is the watch for those who need a durable and rugged device with an impressive battery life. This model stands out for its robust construction and focus on resilience, making it perfect for outdoor activities and extreme sports. Its most notable feature is the dual display, which allows for battery saving by switching between a low-power LCD screen and an AMOLED display. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the TechPulse Pro ENDURO offers greater autonomy but sacrifices some of the more advanced health features and seamless integration with other devices that characterize Samsung. This smartwatch is ideal for users who value durability and battery life over advanced features and ecosystem integration. For more information, don't hesitate to check the links where you'll find detailed prices for each one.